Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys today. I bought something. I'm going to start a new hobby, and I figured I'd share with you the unboxing of a Garrett Ace 400 metal detector. I plan on going around to some state parks in the area and I don't know, wherever it may take me, and look for some buried treasures. Just a nice hobby. I've been watching YouTube videos on it and it's pretty interesting, so I purchased, after a lot of investigating and looking at different metal detectors, I decided to go with the Ace 400, and I bought it with, it was in a package from a place which I'll share with you as well. It was the cheapest place I can find with the most information about it. They have their own YouTube channel as well, so I was watching them, and it was pretty interesting, and they showed how it works and how to adjust it. So it's pretty easy. It's made in the USA, which is a bonus, and so I'll share it with you and I'll let you know where I purchased it from. Okay, so it's an Ace 400 metal detector, and we're going to unbox it and I'll show you what extras that they put in the box that usually don't come with it. I actually picked this up for $3.89. With all the extras, usually it's closer to $500 from anyone else, so it was a great deal. And I'll show you what's in the box. Looks like I got a $5 coupon. Alright, that was nice. Here's my receipt. It's from High Plains Prospectors over in, looks like Kansas. They actually have a website if you want to go on the website. highplainsprospectors.com is where I bought it from. I actually talked to the guy on the phone. He walked me through it. Very nice. They gave me a bag for it, which usually doesn't come with it. And you can see it says High Plains Prospectors on it. So at least I can protect it when I'm not using it. So there it is. It's a nice big canvas bag to put it in. Looks like it has two pockets. Looks like it's got two pockets on the bottom down here, just to put some stuff in here and here. Made of canvas, so it's actually pretty strong. So there you go. That's the extra bag it came with that usually doesn't come with it. Also, it came with this. It says High Plains Prospectors on it as well. This bag usually doesn't come in the box either. It's like a, I guess it's kind of like a belt that you put around yourself and put in whatever treasures you might find, or any equipment. I guess it's a nice little bag. Looks like it has some other little hook spots on here. Maybe you can put stuff on it. So there you go. That's pretty cool, right? It also came with this that doesn't usually come in the box. It's like a little digging tool with a belt holster, so I can put this on my belt. Nice digging tool. Feels like it's made pretty good too. As you can see, it says digging tool on it. Very nice. They actually called it some kind of package that only they sell. Oh, the Trailblazer Bundle. So anyone who's interested, it's called the Trailblazer Bundle from High Plains Prospectors with the Ace 400 metal detector. Now, it also comes with a pointer. Now, I know the pointer is not a Garrett pointer, but at least it comes with one, and we'll see how it works. Because the Garrett pointer is like another $125, which is probably why some of the other sets are a lot more expensive. You know what? I'm just starting out, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. It looks like it's got some kind of little hook here, so you don't lose it. Right. It's a pointer. Probably have to put batteries in it, I'm sure. Yeah, I don't know what kind of battery that is, but we'll see. I'll order the battery. It's not in the box. So you get a pointer. So once you start digging, looking for whatever it is that the detector picked up, whether it's a coin and whatnot, you can put this in the dirt and kind of poke around and find where it is. So that's pretty cool. Save you a lot of heartache. And it also has a little holster for that as well to put on your belt. So very cool. And then you got Oh yeah, it came with this as well. Some headphones, Garrett headphones. They threw that in the box also. Very nice. This way you can listen to it straight up without having any outside noise bothering you. Very cool. Those happen to be Garrett also. I don't know if the end on it is, looks like it has a volume control. Looks like a regular plug-in, so you can probably use any other kind of headphone too, but these are probably waterproof, I would think. Or at least weatherproof. What else is in here? Looks like something else got thrown in here. Garrett 400 owner's manual. This is a weather cover for the controls on the Garrett. I guess in case it's got bad weather, you can still see through it and it blocks it from the weather. So this goes over the head unit with the controls. I'm not sure what this little screw is for, but we'll figure that out once I open it up, get the directions. This goes on the end. I sort of installed this when I was looking at it on YouTube as well. This is a coil cover so that you don't scratch up the coil. It just clips on the bottom of the coil, so when you rub on the ground, you don't ruin the coil. So we got that with it. Here's the pointers on a manual. Let's see what we got here. Here's the unit. You I guess you hold it like this when you're metal detecting. There's the head that this cover goes on. This cover here will go over this eventually. Very nice grip handle. Looks like we got to put it together a little bit. It also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. So if anything goes wrong, it's warranted. So I'm probably going to have to go online and register it. So this is a registration tag. Jax, what are you doing? Don't eat the paper, a little plastic. Looks like everything that's in the box. This is the extension shaft. Okay, so here's the head that controls when you're going on the ground to detect the stuff. And here's the extension tube. Okay, so we have to put this together. It looks like it has some washers with some pinholes in them that line up to the holes here. Looks like you gotta just insert this in there. It's pretty easy. And this side as well. Jax! Jax is eating all my stuff. I don't know why. He's like a dog. He likes to chew on everything. He's eating my receipt. Okay, so I got the washers in there. And now I'll put it on the head of the unit right here. It also has a pin lock here. There it is. Pin's locked in. And you can tighten this so it stays in position. And then I guess you want to adjust it for your height. When you're detecting. I got a pretty good spot right now. Need one more. One more longer. With that being said, you're supposed to take this wire and wrap it around the shaft so it's not hanging everywhere. And it's got this plug that plugs into here. It looks like it's got a keyway, so that's pretty simple. It also has this protector that goes on, and this looks like it just clips in according to the videos I've seen. You work your way around. That was simple enough. That's on. Got your protection. I don't know if the batteries come in it. Let's see. Oh yeah, batteries are in it. I'll have to play around. I'll play around with it, try to get used to how it works, and maybe I can do a demo on it. There's a quarter right here. Stop. Picking it up right on the edge. Nothing. There it is. I'm going to shut it off for now until I read about it and figure it out. So there it is, guys. All together. Garrett metal detector. Ace 400. I'll put it in the bag now. I'll be ready to give it a little test trial. There's the handle. Little arm strap. You can strap it to your arm as well. Good purchase. Let's see, maybe I'll record some stuff and you can see me find some gold. Some buried treasure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.